In this video, I will break down the 5 best sewing machines 2025. Number 5. Janome Memory Craft 6650. The Janome Memory Craft 6650 MC666 is a powerhouse sewing machine designed for professionals and advanced sewists who need speed, precision, and versatility. With an impressive sewing speed of 1,000 stitches per minute, this machine ensures efficiency whether you're working on quilting, dressmaking, or upholstery projects. It comes with 170 built-in stitches and 2 alphabet fonts, allowing for customization and decorative stitching. One of the standout features of this model is its 10-inch extended workspace, which makes handling large fabrics and projects easier. Whether you're quilting a king-size blanket or working on elaborate garment designs, the additional space provides a seamless experience. The automatic thread cutter adds to the convenience, saving time by trimming threads instantly. Built with a heavy-duty aluminum body, this machine ensures long-lasting durability and stability even at high speeds. Who should buy it? The Janome MC650 is best suited for experienced sewists, quilters, and professionals who require a high-performance, heavy-duty machine capable of handling large-scale projects. Number 4. JUKI TL-2000Qi. For those who work with thick fabrics like denim, leather, and heavy quilts, the JUKI TL-2000Qi is one of the best options available. It features an industrial-grade motor that delivers 1,500 stitches per minute, making it one of the fastest home sewing machines. Whether you're quilting, tailoring, or sewing layered materials, this machine ensures smooth and precise stitches every time. Designed for efficiency, the automatic needle threader eliminates the hassle of threading manually, while the LED lighting provides clear visibility for intricate details. The aluminum die-cast arm and bed ensure minimal vibrations, making sewing comfortable even during long hours of operation. Additionally, the extended table offers extra workspace, making it ideal for quilting projects that require handling large fabric pieces. Who should buy it? The JUKI TL-2000Qi is best for quilters, tailors, and sewists who frequently work with heavy-duty fabrics and require powerful, high-speed performance. Number 3. Bernette B77. For sewers who want a modern, high-tech sewing experience, the Bernette B77 is a premium computerized sewing machine packed with advanced features. It boasts 500-plus built-in stitches including embroidery, quilting, and decorative stitches, allowing for a wide range of creative possibilities. The touchscreen control panel makes selecting stitches and settings effortless, adding to the ease of use. A standout feature of the Bernette B77 is its dual feed system, which ensures perfect fabric feeding, preventing shifting and puckering. This is particularly useful when working with delicate or stretchy fabrics. The automatic presser foot lift further enhances convenience, making the sewing process more efficient and reducing strain on the user. Who should buy it? The Bernette B77 is perfect for sewists looking for a high-tech computerized machine with a wide range of stitch options for quilting, embroidery, and decorative sewing. Number 2.
Other CS7000X.
If you're looking for an affordable yet feature-rich sewing machine, the Brother CS7X is a fantastic choice. It comes with 70 built-in stitches, including options for quilting, decorative sewing, and utility stitches, making it versatile for various projects. The LCD screen allows for easy stitch selection, while the automatic needle threader simplifies setup and saves time. Despite being a budget-friendly option, this machine offers computerized functionality that enhances precision and usability. The drop-in bobbin system ensures smooth operation without frequent thread jams, making it beginner-friendly. Additionally, the lightweight design makes it portable so you can easily move it between workspaces. Who should buy it? The Brother CS7000X is an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists who want an affordable computerized machine with enough features for everyday sewing and quilting. Number 1. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is a robust sewing machine designed specifically for working with thick fabrics like denim, canvas, and leather. It features a powerful motor that delivers 1,100 stitches per minute, ensuring fast and efficient sewing for heavy-duty projects. Whether you're making upholstery, repairing thick garments, or sewing multi-layered materials, this machine handles it with ease. Its stainless steel bedplate provides smooth fabric movement, while the heavy-duty metal frame ensures durability and stability. With 23 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, and decorative options, this machine offers some level of versatility without overwhelming users with excessive features. Who should buy it? The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is ideal for those who frequently work with thick fabrics, upholstery, or DIY sewing projects that require a strong and reliable machine. Each of these sewing machines caters to different needs and skill levels. If you're a professional or advanced sewist, the Janome Memory Craft 6650 and JUKI TL-2000Qi are excellent choices for their high speed and heavy duty capabilities. Those looking for a modern computerized experience will appreciate the Bernette B77, while beginners or budget conscious buyers should consider the Brother CS7.X. Finally, if you're working primarily with thick fabrics, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is a solid and affordable choice. Before purchasing a sewing machine, consider your skill level, the type of projects you'll be working on, and your budget. Each of these machines has unique strengths, and choosing the right one will ensure a smooth and enjoyable sewing experience. So, that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.